Yeah, so welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. So where I am doing the what do you call that, the fertilizer on our dragon fruit. So I'm gonna go there later this afternoon. It's just really hot today, just the sun. Cha! So we got some dog from outside. Yeah, so we need to clean this area, although we're gonna put some there because it's been leaking. So we're gonna do something on that. So we're doing some mower. So this is the grass cutter, and then we're doing the, what's that, fertilizer on the dragon fruit because it's been raining for 2 days now, yesterday and the other day. So I got the fertilizer 15 kilos, 15 plus 4 15, 19 kilos overall. So just this area there, and then that side. So that's what we put the fertilizer on it. So this side here is already planted, but it's not yet ready for fertilizer because it should have the dragon fruit should have some roots already before we're gonna put the fertilizer. So I'm gonna walk there this afternoon when it's not really hot. So we got some used tires here. So we're gonna prepare that to put on that area there, to put those posts there. But we still have some portion there that we started clearing. That's where we're gonna we're gonna put another batch of dragon fruit for, I think, we need 200 to 300 posts. So because it still have portion there that we're gonna clear, and that's what we're gonna planted more. So that's the plan. Gawas.